Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are giving away one of these items to one of you. This is for my Ipsy Plus bag for the month of August. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Juvia's Place Allure 3 palette. Looks like this on the inside. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter this one as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. I do want to mention that in the current giveaways is the 1700 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much for helping us get there. And so that is live right now. While I'm uploading this video, and it'll be live for a couple more days, so make sure to check that out and enter if you haven't already, because there's a bunch of stuff in that one. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. Want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings, so I do them a lot here on the channel. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. Haven't checked them out before. I'll leave that code in the description box down below. It'll save you a little bit of money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do, and their add-ons are pretty good. If you do use that code, I thank you. It's just there for your convenience. So Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare, that sort of thing. This is the Plus bag, so it's 5 full-size items plus a drawstring. Here's what the drawstring kind of looks like this month. Some palm leaves, little hotel paradise, warm breezes, lush landscapes, major glow. This month, check into vacay state of mind, hello massages, and matching mani-pedis. Unwind and go ahead and order room service. So what Ipsy says about the bag is Palm Fawns, breezy prints, tropical shades. This month's bag design will transport you to vacay state of mind. Get ready to check in and unwind. So remember, we're giving away one of the items to one of you. First thing in here is from Bureau. It is their Truffle Eye Serum. This thing retails for $114. Like I said, everything is full size. It is an eye cream. Take a wake with this multitasking eye cream. It uses 3 types of truffle and hyaluronic acid to help reduce the appearance of eye bags, plump up skin, and smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And here's what the product itself looks like. The next thing in here is from Gold Fat and MD. It is their liquid face lift. Now this does retail for $98. It is a face serum. Who needs a procedure when you have this powerhouse serum? It's like liquid gold in a bottle that helps lift and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The next thing in here is from a pharmacy. It is their Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Now this one does retail for $48. Obviously it is a face serum. Think of Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum as the buffet of serums. You get a little bit of everything: hydrating, hyaluronic acid, firming, amino acid, anti-aging, thyme extract, and plumping vegan collagen for maximum benefits, all in one bottle. And here's what it kind of looks like. From Artist Couture is the Slay Lit Liquid Eyeshadow in Rich Bitch. Does retail for $22. And here's what the packaging looks like. It just does say, add a pop of shimmery mauve to an eye look with the liquid eyeshadow that will last all day and all night. last thing in here is the cult favorite sunscreen. It is the Supergoop Unseen SPF 40. So it's $27. It's 20 milliliters. I guess I was expecting, like, this would only last a couple days. You know, I mean, this is kind of tiny. So protect your skin from harsh UV rays with the unscented and weightless Unseen that goes on invisible and leaves behind a velvety, smooth finish. So I thought it was pretty good, but where is the makeup? This was it. Put more makeup in the box. If more makeup as choices. When you pick things for people, actually include a makeup idol in one of the at least one of the items that you pick. Come on, it's not that hard. So what do we think about it? Excited? Excited about the skincare, I will say. Excited about the skincare. You've got the eyeshadow stick. Let's give, I haven't opened it, so let's give away that eyeshadow stick to one of you. Secret word should be, how about school? Because school's about ready to start for everybody if it hasn't already. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, but you can get bonus entries. So how you get bonus entries? There's 4 different ways now. There used to only be 3. Now there's 4. So 1, you don't have to do any of them. You can just do 1, 2, 3, none, whatever. It just gives you extra tries to enter if you do want to win. So the first way is go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you go follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way, which is a new way, is if you go follow me on TikTok. The handle for that is Christina Marie BeautyAmaB. And fourth way is if you share this video. I am really trying hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am then responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through September 9th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on September 14th, I'll take from the Google Forms, if everybody did what they're supposed to do, first name, first initial of the last name, put that into my wheel of names, and the computer spins the wheel of names. We all see it happen. There's no monkey funny business here on the channel. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't collect it. I don't sell it. I don't do anything like that. Like I said, your privacy is very important to me. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking it out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.